was first diagnosed with lymphedema 10 years ago when I was 19 at the Mayo Clinic in the US. At the time, my foot and legs basically exploded. So I went there, was very scared, got some very painful tests, and they told me that I had lymphedema of my lower extremities and that there was nothing that they could do, but I would have to basically live with it my entire life and wrap my legs every day like a mummy. So I got pretty depressed, pretty sad about it, but there was nothing I could do to fix it at the time. So we found Dr. Cheng through a very roundabout way. We saw a lot of specialists in the US, and they all had very different opinions. Some said I had to do liposuction, some said it would take 4 surgeries, and then we went through the whole insurance approval process and were denied multiple times. So we decided, rather than be stuck with someone in the US, just go to the best in the world, which was Dr. Cheng, because he also teaches a lot in the US and was a mentor to them. So Jeremy, my husband, and I decided with the health, let's just go to the best in the world, and it's actually cheaper than the US too. So that's how we decided. So the decision to come to Taiwan was not an easy one, if I'm honest. As an American, it's just very scary going somewhere so far away from your friends and your family for a big surgery. But what really helped me make the decision was talking to another patient who successfully came here and her whole condition was fixed. So Jeremy, my husband, and I, we thought, you know what, let's just go to the best in the world. Taiwan is best in class for medical, and we took a chance, and it was the best decision I ever made. So the medical system here is totally different than the US, and my experience is that it's been way better. I got my own private room, whereas in the US, usually you share with another person and they could be up all night watching TV, or who knows, right? They might have nothing to do with your condition. So we got our own private room. The food is incredible. I'm vegetarian, and I have the best vegetarian dumplings, tofu, and they let you order from the equivalent of Uber Eats. So there's so many things to choose from. And then Miffy, the head nurse and patient coordinator, she got me sheet masks for my face, and it just was the best experience ever. You can also tell that in Taiwan, and here specifically, it's not about money. They didn't even make us pay for the surgery right before. They said, don't worry about it, whenever you can figure it out, it's okay. So it's just so warm, so hospitable, and just the nicest people I've ever met. So currently my legs and my feet, they just shrank so much, and I feel it's such a relief. I have to use the walker, unfortunately, and walk like a penguin for a little bit, but it's the best decision I've ever made. And I can't wait to see how the results continue, and I'd encourage anyone, if you have the means and you do your research, to come and potentially get the surgery, because I think it's going to be life-changing.
Yeah, the experience with A+ Surgery Clinic has been honestly amazing. We've been to some of the best clinics in the world, in the US and in other countries, and honestly the experience here has been incredible, with both the recommendation and diagnosis process, as well as the surgery and post-op care. So genuinely can only say good things, and we're incredibly impressed with the overall time we've had here.
Yeah, and no more compression garments.
And tentatively no more compression garments.